Hey everyone, so today is day 2 of our mini reno of our first salon. We were able to break down the rest of the drywall from that wall that we had to break down from the first video from day 1. And we were trying to take down the frames, but because we left the drill at the salon, it wasn't charged, so we have to do that in the next video. Got anything to say, baby?
I guess that'll be day 3.
Yeah.
Day 3 is basically just gotta take those 4x4s apart, and we might paint, but that's probably gonna be on day 4.
And so we was thinking about painting the walls white with either dark gray or black borders. We're not sure yet. Something that doesn't look, something that doesn't get dirty really fast from all the sweeping and the mopping and the furniture moving. So.
Oh yeah, day 2 consists of tax collector office.
Oh yeah, we had to do a lot of paperwork.
What we got left?
That's it. Just basically just painting, and we still have to wait for the furniture to come in. Yeah, we're anticipating that. Hopefully our mirrors and nothing. Hopefully everything comes out right and not broken.
Please.
So, but we'll all find out at the same time. I think that's it.
Yeah, we got the furniture, washer, the dryer. The washers come with the other furniture. We gotta purchase the dryer. I think that's it. Oh, the writing on the wall, whatever the stickers for the
yeah, we have to buy decals for the windows in front of the shop. And a TV. We need a TV too.
Oh yeah, we gotta get.
We need a TV, but we have a couple at the house. We have one that we might use. So that stuff we're really not worried about. Yeah. Well, we'll see you in the next video for day 3.